before we start with our assessment proper, please fill up the self-assessment guide, which will be collected before we start the orientation. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mark Anton, and I'm your accredited competency assessor for electronic service product assessment. It's my ID. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Wendy Rivera and Mr. Steven Tumara. Our representatives from the provincial office. You do not have to worry about your presence here because they are here to oversee if the conduct of competency assessment and as well as to check if the conduct assessment is within the ordinance or the prescribed competency assessment, methodology, and procedures. They will not assess you, so you do not have to worry about it. Before I start, let me check first the attendance. May I hear from Manila Viñas, Mr. Desmond Agustina, self-assessment guide. This is an indication that you know and can perform all the units of competency enumerated in this qualification. Then I'm going to administer competency assessment for electronics product assembly and servicing. It is the qualification level with 4 reads civil. EPAS is the qualification equips learners with knowledge and skills needed to assemble, test, maintain, and prepare consumer electronics products and systems. These qualifications prepares individuals to handle common electronic works such as assembling circuit boards, troubleshooting components, performing soldering, and ensuring proper operation of electronics gadgets and devices. For the qualification description, electronics products assembly and servicing institute is a test qualification that focuses on the skills and knowledge needed to assemble, test, maintain, and prepare consumer electronics products and services and systems. The qualification is trainees to first is assemble electronic circuits and products, test electronic components and systems, troubleshoot and repair defects, perform soldering and desoldering, use tools, instruments, and test equipment properly, and as well as follow safety, quality, and workplace procedures. For our units of competency, test qualifications are divided into 3 types of units. They are basic, common, and core competencies. For the core competencies, we'll be focusing on the assemble electronic products, test electronic components and systems, service consumers electronics products and systems, perform maintenance and repair of audio or video products. Here's the evidence requirements. Test the assessment requires proof that the candidate is competent. Evidence can be collected through hands-on demonstration, written test, or interview. Assessment for the assessment procedures show tools and equipment and materials to use. Clarify the data and activity. During the assessment, you will only have 6 hours to perform. And I can also ask questions as we proceed the assessment. Assessment rules and policies, integrity and fairness, no coaching, no training, no bias, same instructions for candidates. If results private, we will discuss candidates' performance with other candidates. said earlier, you only have 6 hours to perform the task. Professional conduct. Treat all candidates with respect and without impunity. Grounds for termination or the abrupt termination of your assessment is unsafe behavior, violation of rules, dishonesty or cheating. For our safety reminders, personal safety, wear required PPE, gloves, goggles, aprons, shoes, etc. Avoid loose clothing and accessories, especially when handling heated materials such as this dryer or blower. Electrical and electronic safety, use tools with proper handles and isolations. Never touch light circuits with bare hands. For the workplace safety, keep the workstation clean and organized. Maintain safe distance from others while soldering or using tools. Emergency procedures immediately report accidents or hazards. Disconnect power during emergencies. With power outage, nagkaroon ng power outage, mamaya sa assessment, gulutin nyo agad yung mga nagsaksak para iwasan yung sunog at saka hindi kayo ma-scratch. For our health and hygiene, avoid working, if feeling dizzy, weak, or unwell, wash hands before and after work. And this is our assessment plan. We have here candidate workshop, assessment area. Assessment area, tool area, safety and waste area, and material area. This is the CAS or competency assessment. So now let's proceed with the assessment. So first is Mr. Jason, the assessment area. Now for Mr. Vinyas, please proceed to the assessment area. Read and now, Mr. Vinyas. Upon assessing your performance earlier, here's the result for the car sheet for Mr. Vinyas and for Mr. Elustian, you can now go outside and let me talk to Mr. Venus first. Mr. Vinyas, I'm sorry, we're not able to perform within the standard requirements with the qualification. You have to review or practice the activities related to the competency. You can come back after a month for reassessment or when you feel confident enough that you have acquired the competence. You do not have to worry, you will be reassessed only on the part